Local news for Monday, the 10th of February. A promising new telehealth report shows a significant increase in the number of providers and services using telehealth for the delivery of clinical care. Claire Hardy, a radiation oncologist at the Palmerston North Hospital, she says she uses the conferencing for first appointments and follow-up appointments with certain patients. A video link links to New Plymouth, Hastings and Marston hospitals. The Anne Sinclair Trust has given $13,000 into Wairarapa student study. Administered by Presbyterian Support, the Trust provides financial assistance to farming, ag and horticultural students, orcharding and animal husbandry students. And a blog which featured 9 places that you didn't know were in New Zealand has featured a popular Wairarapa location. The website Urban List mentioned Patagonia Pinnacles in a must-visit location, with the South Wairarapa location appearing in the third instalment, of course, of the Lord of the Rings trilogy. And finally, Red Star made easy work of Parapara Umu at the weekend in the Coastal Challenge cricket, scoring 247 for 3. They bowled out Parapara Umu for just 128. Jonas top scored with the bat with 84, while the bowlers all nabbed wickets, Hook returning figures of 3 for 19. The Lansdowne match, however, didn't go ahead. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.